So hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we are going to the university for event. As you can see, whenever you see this t-shirt, that means we are going for an event at the uni and we have duty. The duty again is at the food truck, and today the event is Are You Okay event, which is a mental health awareness event, and it is a very important event in the uni apparently because here mental health is considered to be very important. But as we know, back in India, they don't really care about it, which is not the right thing to do. But here they acknowledge it, and that is something India should learn. So we have our duty at the food truck. Again, we'll be distributing food to people free of cost, nothing at all, freebies. And then we plan to go to see some sports shows on a factory outlet with a couple of friends. And if we like something, we'll purchase. So that's what it's going to be for today. So let's get started.
So guys, this job is kind of done. 133 done. Just look at the queue. It is so long. Starts from there and goes all the way till there.
Guys, change of jobs. We're serving cold drinks in the cold weather, and I don't even have a jacket. It's super cold.
Guys, look how windy it is. Everything is flying. Look at people's hair. It's completely flying. And the trees are also swaying from left to right. It is extremely windy and cold. Suddenly the weather has changed so bad. The barricades, the paper, everything is flying. Guys, you're serving cold drinks in such a cold weather, but everyone is still opting for it. It is so windy, it feels as if a windstorm has come, and we weren't aware about it, we weren't prepared. I wasn't prepared and get a jacket, and the weather is just too harsh.
Yeah, we're gonna take 1 hour more, I believe, and then we're gonna.
So, guys, as I already told you all, it is a mental health event. Therefore, dogs are here for dog therapy, and the people in the red t-shirts are trained professionals who are giving that therapy to people who want
Guys,
it.
we're done. It was so cold that my ears started paining. It was so windy, so I had to wear this cap. And we are headed home now, and we will be leaving in probably 1 or 2 hours. And we're gonna rest by then because we haven't got really good sleep at night. So let's go. Bye bye.
2 hours later.
So guys, we have left for the place that we have to go to look for shoes, and apparently the journey is very scenic. So you're gonna get the cinematics for it. And now we are headed to the bus stop. We're gonna take a bus which will directly take us to where we want to go. No changes or anything of that sort. It is a half an hour drive in a bus, and then we'll be reaching and showing you what is there.
So, guys, the beautiful scenic journey is finally over, and right behind me is the sign where we have to go.
There it is. Birkenhead Point outlet. Here we are, Birkenhead Point, and we're just headed in. There is a lot of brands. We'll go to some of them, not all of them, and I'm just gonna show you what all is present over here. Guys, everything over here is already at a 50% off, and there is a one and one free. So, for suppose This jacket costs for 90. It is for 55 and you get 2 for 55. So 27 for a jacket of 90. Just understand how much there is a discount over here. This mall, I believe, is the best in Sydney if you wanna ever buy anything else. Shoes, all shoes, buy one get one free. Any shoe, buy one get one free. Just too good, very cheap. I believe you don't get this price in India also, and just it's wow. Make sure to visit this. Make sure to visit this if you wanna buy branded clothes, original clothes at the cheapest cost. Also for kids. It's crazy. So we've just checked out the Puma store right now. There is Nike, there is Adidas, there are multiple stores, multiple brands, New Balance. We are gonna go through all of them and the content's coming right through. So stay tuned. So guys, I will be showing you the mall and the view from the mall. Just look at how the mall looks. Completely open. 3-4 levels. Beautiful. And that is the view that I'm talking about behind there, which I will be showing you in a minute. Guys, look at the view. This is the view I was talking about. It is so good. That is the CBD. That is behind. That is where we live. That is where we come from. We're here. Cross 2 bridges for this amazing view and this amazing mall. That's the Nike. That's the Adidas store with 70% off. So guys, apparently the Puma store was better than the Adidas store. Not about, it's about prices along with the collection, and I believe Puma had that but Adidas didn't. So Pumas are really recommended. You would feel that you would want to buy everything, but Adidas not so much. They had a little bit of good stuff, but everything was pretty pricey. You could find that in India cheaper. So yeah, that's about it. We're going to Nike now. So guys, again the same issue. Very good collection over here in fact, but very pricey. Not getting anything in our budget or say worth for the money that we would spend. Nothing of that sort. So yeah, that's how it is. Little expensive, but nothing can beat Puma yet. So guys, we're done with shopping here. I have ordered a shoe which will be delivered to my address. So now we have booked an Uber because it is raining and it is very cold and we will have to walk a lot. All of us are pretty tired. Therefore we are going and we are gonna book an Uber and head home. So guys, taking the cab in my opinion was a very good decision. We have beat the rain. It is raining extremely harsh and we would have to walk without an umbrella. So let's go. See you in the next vlog. It was an amazing day. We had a lot of fun. We are tired and catch you up in the next one. Until then, bye bye.